Hold on, let me do this shit before I fucking kill myself. Oh, you didn't forget me. You big on this bitch.
Oh, the smell! Oh, I smell that!
Did it. I bet him over big me.
Don't look at me.
Oh yeah.
Eat it, Mark.
Not yet. Not yet. Yes.
Mark, you just look like you were about to slide in some DM.
I don't know because I'm used to it now, but I don't know about you.
Fuck, mine has more steam.
Don't drink no juice because the juice is gonna fuck up your mouth. Well, oh, you're turning red.
Shit. Oh, fuck me in the ass.
Follow. Yeah.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh, it got me! Ah! Oh shit! It just came. It came.
I feel like you're just getting like.
That ice cream is a lifesaver. That ice cream is a.
Oh fuck.
You shoved it down your throat. Oh, you enjoyed that, don't you?
It burned.
Let's try this shit. It ain't gonna work.
Bro, it was.
Y'all should have gave me a piece. Like, I'm used to, like, hot stuff.
That's not even how much I ate. I ate like the entire fucking pepper. That was half.
I was not even a full one. We got you.
I'm not from Africa. I was born here. I don't have an accent.
That would be funny if you did that.
Oh fuck.
That would be funny as shit.